Hey! Wanted to take a minute to show you why the mini heater is much better and easier than using your hair dryer to apply a wrap. The mini heater is amazing, and I'll show you why in just a minute. The hair dryer does the job. It gives off heat and air, so the wraps are vinyl and they're heat activated, so you need the heat. However, you'll see in a second the hair dryer just is a little more complicated than actually using your mini heater. So you want to use your hair dryer. I just have my hair dryer here on the hottest setting but the lowest of air. It's going to get loud in a minute, so I'm just going to let you see what it does, okay? I'll pick my wrap here. I'm going to put my wraps on top of my rose gold sparkle wraps, and I also have True Shine on top of that, okay? Put a little accent nail here. Okay. Remember, you never want to touch the actual wrap with your skin, so I am going to just peel it off there. Do that. Cut off half of it. Okay, so here it is. It's going to get loud for a second, so you'll have to forgive me. Heat it up for a few seconds, okay? Just kidding. It would help to turn on the outlet. Okay. Let it warm up for a second. Now, watch. It starts to curl. And turn it off. Oh, live technical difficulties. Okay. So now you want to apply a little pressure, and I apply pressure in the middle of the wrap. Turn it around. Blast it and apply pressure. Blast it on the other side and apply pressure, and you're done. Hopefully you don't get wrinkles in the tip. If you do, then you got to turn your hair dryer on again and pull and stretch just a tad. Okay, so we're done there. The mini heater. Quiet. It's $19 plus tax and shipping, but really, it's awesome. It gives off a great amount of heat, even flow of heat. It's quiet, so guess what? You don't have to interrupt your husband watching the game or whatever he's watching. You can turn on your mini heater and do your nails right there in the living room while everybody is around. It's quiet. Alright, so I'll do my other nail. Remember, never touch the backing. You don't have to turn this off and on. It's on. Remember, adhesive side towards heat. There, it curls up a little bit. Apply. Pressure in the middle. Guess what? I didn't have to turn it off and back on again because it's already on. Hands free here, people. Hands free. So, why the mini heater instead of this?